Table 1, Univariate Analysis of Self-Reported Variables. Starting Spreadsheet. Welcome to this short video on how to make tables accessible in Microsoft Excel. We will look at key accessibility features in creating tables: merge cells, missing labels and headers, row numbers, font style. Here is an example of a poorly designed table. I will read it to you as a screen reader would do. Univariate analysis of self-reported variables. Disorder, no disorder. Measure, MSD, MSD. Measures, well-being, 10.53, 4.67, 6.49, 3.98. STAS, 74.12, 12.12, 43.09, 9.88. NTAI, 49.29, 12.54, 39.25, 12.11. We will now walk through the aspects that are needed to make it better. This table has many aspects that render it inaccessible. First, there are merged cells in rows and columns. A22 through I22, A25 through 28, columns C, D, E, F, and HI. Avoid splitting or merging cells. Screen readers keep track of their location in a table by counting table cells. If a table is nested within another table, or if a cell is merged or split, the screen reader loses count and can't provide helpful information about the table after that point. Second, the table has no header information to identify the rows and columns clearly. The headers for the columns of measure, measures, disorder, and no disorder will be difficult to navigate for a screen reader as they are shown on two different rows and columns. Screen readers use header information to identify rows and columns. Clear table headers provide context and make navigating the table content easier. Third, use a consistent font style and size. Remove italics. Choose sans serif fonts, Arial or Calibri. Remove shading. This has no meaning for a screen reader, and the poor contrast causes difficulty for others. Avoid blank cells, columns, and rows. When navigating using the keyboard, a blank cell, column, or row might lead a screen reader user to believe there is nothing more in the table. Accessible spreadsheet. This table below is more accessible due to the following. Accessible styling, consistent font, type, size, and styling using Calibri 14. This improves the legibility and readability of the spreadsheet. Shading of cells in row 4 is removed. Spacing is consistent. Blank columns are used for readability. Clear header information for rows and columns. Row numbers are identified and column headers are clear for measures, disorder M, disorder SD, no disorder M, no disorder SD. Lastly, ensure there is text in cell A1. A screen reader starts reading any worksheet from cell A1. If you have a table on the worksheet, A1 should preferably be the title of the table. On this spreadsheet, cell A1 reads, Table 1, Univariate Analysis of Self-Reported Variables. This will ensure the table is correctly identified as the name in cell A1. Thank you for viewing this short video on how to make tables accessible in Microsoft Excel. This is Roberta Thompson of the Adaptec Research Network. Funding is possible by Entente Canada Quebec, ECQ.